Yeah, it was hard for me to finally understand that humans are carnivores and we're supposed to eat our species specific diet, which is an all meat diet. It was very difficult for me because of my background, because I'm a classically trained slash brainwashed dietitian. When you go through traditional academia, you just are taught by authority that, this is what the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics puts out, and everything else is a fad diet. So, as dietitians, it takes us a lot longer to accept it because it means that I have to literally forget about like a decade or more of my life of going through academia, and it's like, what was it all for? It's a very tough pill to swallow. I feel like I wasted my time and energy and money when I could have done much more powerful and impactful things with my life. So, um, yeah, but because I always applied what I was being taught, and I always had a real passion for being healthy and fit, I would just constantly either be on a diet or researching a better way to do things all the time. And
Right.
so, via trial and error, application, failure, learning from failure, I guess is the most important thing. I never tried something new before I had that meeting with myself. Okay, well, what went wrong that last time? I think that's the key. And from there, I realized that, wait a second, where our natural state is ketosis. We're supposed to run on fat as our main energy source. We're not supposed to be dependent on carbohydrates. We never came across carbohydrates for 99.99% of our existence as a species here on Earth. We evolved during an ice age where the climate literally it's not like we evolved in a tropical forest with fruits and veggies. Like,
No.
these things weren't available to us. So our DNA has evolved to thrive under conditions of a carnivore diet. And
Right.
so that's how I eventually discovered it. And by dealing with my own sugar addiction, food addiction, binge eating, acne that I struggled with ever since I was a teenager, anxiety, all those things, they all kept leading me in one direction, the carnivore diet.